People always tell you, just be grateful. But have you ever wondered, if I am grateful for what I have, can I still ask Allah for more? Or does that make me ungrateful? For a long time, I thought gratitude means convincing myself that I should not want anything else. I'm grateful for the job, so maybe I should not ask for the better one. I'm grateful for my home, maybe wanting a bigger one is a greedy. I'm grateful for my health. Maybe asking Allah for more blessing means I'm not thankful enough. But then I realized that's not what Islam teaches us. Allah says in the Quran, if you are grateful, I will surely increase you. Notice something amazing. Allah didn't say, be grateful, so stop asking me. He said, be grateful and I will increase you. Gratitude isn't the end of your journey, it's the beginning of your more blessing. The Prophet ﷺ taught us to ask Allah for everything, even the smallest of our need. And he said, when one of you asks Allah, let him ask for Al-Firdaus, for it is the highest part of paradise. Think about that. If asking for the highest level of Jannah isn't considered greedy, then why do we feel guilty asking Allah for a better life in this world? The problem isn't wanting more. The problem is forgetting who gave you what you already have. Real gratitude says, Ya Allah, thank you for what you have blessed me with today. And same time, Ya Allah, if there is something better for me, in my dunya and my akhirah, I ask you for the endless bounty. There is a big difference between greedy and hope. Greedy says, I deserve more. Faith say, Allah is the most generous and I trust Him to give me what is best. Contentment doesn't mean to stop dreaming. It means your heart is at peace, whether Allah gives you more today, tomorrow, or chooses something better. So be grateful for your apartment and ask Allah for the home that brings your family closer to Him. Be grateful for your job. Ask Allah for work that increases your risk, your barakah, and your ability to benefit others. Be grateful for your health and ask Allah to strengthen it so you can worship Him better. Because every blessing you have deserves gratitude, and every hope you carry deserves a sincere dua. And Allah's treasure never decreases because you ask. The Prophet ﷺ said that if every human and every jinn asked Allah for everything they wanted, it would not decrease what Allah possesses any more than dipping a needle into the ocean decreases the sea. So don't let gratitude stop your duas. Let gratitude become the reason you ask even more, because every blessing you have already received is a proof that the one you are asking is the most generous. Be grateful, be content, and never be afraid to ask Allah for more, so long as what you seek is good, lawful, and bring you closer to Him. The one who comes